In different cultures, the drum is a sacred tool, connecting heaven to earth while maintaining the rhythm of the world. Drumming builds a vibe, but also calms the spirit. To be a pro is no easy feat, and the art of putting hand to skin or plastic to belt a tune that is pleasing to the ear takes time. It's this and much more that youth were taught at the Greater Portmore Junior Centre in the Summer Art Workshop, guided by the theme Unlocking the Potential and Transforming Lives through the Institute of Jamaica.
As director of the Programs Coordination Division, which I like to call the children's arm of the IOJ, the division is comprised of 3 spaces. 2 junior centers, that is one at East Street, and the one where we are today, the Greater Portmore Junior Center, and the Simon Bolivar Cultural Center located at North Parade. And our focus is the visual and performing arts. We know the arts are therapeutic. From the arts help with cognitive, it helps with intellectual growth. It is proven, it is not just anecdotal, but the research shows it. So once the children are involved in that kind of activity, it is almost guaranteed that the academic performance will improve.
The COVID-19 pandemic limited face-to-face interaction.
But for 2022, we are back again in the centers. And we are open, having our youngsters coming, having fun.
The workshop was made possible through funding from the American Friends of Jamaica.
I want to say thanks for the support that we have gotten. The American Friends of Jamaica came on board and gave us a grant. So with this grant, we are able to subsidize. So all students, free of cost, they don't have to pay transportation. We are able to subsidize the lunches. The entrance to the venue, we are able to take care of all of that. For some of our students, we are able to provide the lunches. There is a small fee of $4,000 per week, but for a number of our students, where the difficulty is, we have been able to take them on free because we have gotten that grant.
The Junior Center serves the Greater Portmore community and provides resources that would otherwise be difficult for teens to access. In order to get your child involved, sign their names on the dotted line. Registration is usually the entire month of June, and the workshop begins around the first week of July.
During the workshop, each day we have like 3 sessions. So like in the morning when we come in, we invite God in our presence, and then we have like a presentation. It's like an interactive and fun presentation. And we have persons from our sister agency as well, from the Institute of Jamaica, as well as we invite other persons from external to the IOJ to come in and present on anything of interest.
Expect a field trip. And at the end of the program, participants show off what they learn for all to see.
So they'll be the one entertaining us, and then we'll have showcasing also the craft items and some of the stuff that they have done in the paper making class and the art and craft class.
When asked why it's important for children to be a part of a summer program,
all year round they are doing academic, and I think this one time of the year, instead of doing the maths, the English and the whatever, give them something else outside of that to unwind the mind and take away the deep focus from the academic area.
The Junior Center is a safe space. It is a safe space for your children. It is where they are learning, it is where they are exposed, it is where they have an opportunity to learn new things, to make new friends.
If you missed the opportunity to join this year's Junior Center Summer Experience, jot down the dates mentioned in your calendar and get ready for next year. Come on, parents, give your children one more thing for which to say thank you.